Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we will learn how to redirect to another page if the validation failed. For example, I have this simple form and I display the error message if there is any error about validations, and here is my post or form request. Username is required, and if I click save, it will show that username field is required, which means it returns me back again with the message. But sometimes you may want to redirect to another page. For example, please contact to the admin or something like that. To do that we have two ways. Let's first create a simple route. I will say route get and contact admin. Let's return a simple closure here. Return please contact admin, and I will give it a name contact.admin. And in our form request that we validate data, we can define this variable protected redirect, and we can specify the path /contact admin. And now I will refresh, save, it redirects me to contact admin. Or if you want to use the name, we will use redirect route, and we can specify the name contact.admin. Let's comment it. If I back and refresh, save, and the same result. So here's quickly how to change the redirect after validation error using path, as we can see, or using name using redirect route property. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you next videos.